Hello, jalapeno poppers. I decided I think I should just name you guys after food every week, so this week you're jalapeno poppers. Excuse me, mail truck, I'm filming. Goodbye. This week, you're jalapeno poppers, mainly because I was watching a sorted food video and they were talking about jalapenos. Okay, now that we're through with that, I guess. Today is the last of my Game of Thrones series thingy-mabobber thing. Of makeup looks, and today is the Stark House, so I'm just in a black dress because I feel like that's really what they wear, like especially in the more recent seasons, just like all black, and I'm like, what a mood, that's me. It hides, you know, any unflattering angles and unflattering parts. Like, love black. My style is just black and white. It's very monochrome. Anyway, so yeah, let's, I guess, just get into the video. Okay, so for today's video, along with doing the last Game of Thrones house look, which is for the Stark House, I am also going to be using some colors and reviewing, kind of, I guess, the Game of Thrones Urban Decay Game of Thrones palette. I'm really excited. This isn't actually mine, it's my sister's. She ordered it, but she said I could review it for her video, and I could use the colors if I wanted. So, here we are. This is what the packaging looks like. And then it just like pulls out. And then this is what the palette looks like. So it's just like based off of the places / families. So like you have where the wall is, Winterfell, King's Landing, and then Daenerys and the Targaryens. So I will be using stuff from the Wall and Winterfell for my look, but I really like the King's Landing look for the Lannister family. I really, really like House Lannister. I really love that color. I think it's gorgeous. It's just like a pale pink. And I personally really like it because I like to, when I just do like a one eye look, kind of do like colors like this, so I really think that's pretty. And I like Namira for like a crease shade because I'm all about, you know, brown. But I think it's beautiful. So the colors for the Wall are Take the Black, which is a sparkly black shade, White Walker, which is a blue sparkly shade, Frozen North, which is more like an aqua type of blue shade, and then the Free Folk, which is a silver shade, and then Hard Home, which is kind of like a pinky gold white look. When White Walker gets put on the skin though, it's more of like a purpley shade, so that's kind of cool. Okay, and then Winterfell is Namira, which is a brown shade. Winter is here, which is a dark brown, like sparkly shade. Wirewood Leaves, which is a purple. The Sight, which is green, and then Winterfell, which is gold. Okay, the next is King's Landing / the Lannister family. And it's the Red Keep, which is like a burnt orange shade. Casterly Rock, which is another brownie shade, but it's lighter than Winter is here. And it has some gold flecks mixed in with it. And then House Lannister, which is a pink shade. Lannister Red, which is a maroon shade. And King's Landing, which is a lighter shade of gold. It's more like a yellow, like a light pale yellow. One thing I am noticing is that the matte shades don't transfer as well. Like, it takes a few more swipes than the shimmery shades, so I would keep that in mind if you are a matte person, that it's going to take more to transfer the color. And then the last set is for the Targaryen family, and it's Stormborn, which is a beautiful, like, purple color. It's deeper than the Bend the Knee, which I'll get to, but it's gorgeous. I think I have to even show you, it's just so pretty. And then House Targaryen, which is another golden color, but it's lighter than Winterfell, but darker than King's Landing. And then Dothraki, which is another golden color. House Targaryen seems to have more of like almost a rose gold tint to it. Like, it's not rose gold, but it's more rose goldy than the other gold, like Winterfell, King's Landing, or Dothraki. And Bend the Knee, which is a lighter purple shade, and then Bay of Dragons, which is a pink. I feel like if you wanted to do a pink look, I feel like Bay of Dragons and House Lannister would be so beautiful together. Like doing Bay of Dragons all over the lid and then House Lannister through the crease. And if you wanted to darken it up a bit, you could probably even put Lannister red on the outside for like either a cute, just like pink everyday look, or even just like for Valentine's Day. I feel like that'd be so gorgeous. Okay, so now that we've gone through those, I hope that you enjoyed my little review. It's not much of a review because I didn't like try every color, but I think a lot of them are really beautiful. I really like the glittery, sparkly shades. Mainly because I like those. I think it brings a little something extra to the look. But that is just me. I do really like the pinks in it. I'm a pink person. I like a lot of nudes on my eyes, or like pinks. So I'm a big fan. Like I said, I feel like Bay of Dragons with House Lannister would be absolutely gorgeous. I also have glitter all over my hands and arm now, so like that's fun. I really love that for myself. But now that we are through with that, let's get into the actual makeup look. And per usual, my face and everything is done, so I don't have to take the time out to do that. So what we're gonna do first is put a shade all over it. This doesn't have a color, but this is what I use. I actually practiced this look because I didn't know what it was going to look like, so I did practice it after last week's disaster. And it's this shade from the Carly Bible palette. I'm just going to put that all over. And honestly, I mean, you could use Smorgan. I just use it out of convenience, so I'm not using shades from like 500 different palettes. That's honestly the reason. And then I'm going to go in with this gray shade from the Carly Bible palette. And I'm just going to put that right here. Kind of go in for the crease first, but then kind of smoke it out a bit. So like just that. I personally try to form like a little triangle tip at the end, but that's just me. Also, y'all should be proud of me. I finally cleaned my brushes. Like, who is she? I'm also going to bring it in pretty far. I'm going to go in with Free Folk from the Game of Thrones palette and put that on the inner corner. And then next, I'm going to go in with Take the Black. And I'm going to actually wipe a lot of it off on my hand because I just want a little bit. And then I'm going to go over like the outside of this line from like here. Just to outline it and make it stand out. And I'm going to take it again and do my upper lid. Do eyeliner on my lash line off my. And then lastly, I'm gonna take the Sight from the Game of Thrones palette and put it on my lower lash line. back in here so nothing happens to it. I don't want to get in trouble with Becca. And then lashes. The usual routine. And then fake lashes. I'm gonna get new ones tomorrow because I'm going out. I'm not like out on the town, I'm just going out to get lunch with a friend. And like these eyelashes have been put through the ringer, especially in the past like 4 weeks. So I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna let them, you know, have their last hurrah and then put them to rest. They deserve it. They've put in a lot of hard work. Also, fun fact, you know how last week I only had one contact in my eye? Yeah, it's because apparently I ran out of contacts and I have to go to the eye doctor because my prescription expired too. So I have to get an eye test again, which I probably need because I think my eyesight's gotten worse in the past year, so I probably need a new prescription anyway. But like, I hate going to the eye doctor. I'm always afraid they're gonna be like, you're going blind, and I'll be like, what? Like, that's my fear. Does anyone else have that fear, or is it just like an irrational fear that I have? Also, in exciting news, I finished all my finals. By the time that you watch this, I will be I'll be in the middle of senior week, and then in a few days, I will be graduating college with an undergraduate degree in biology because I'm just so smart, you know. Took all my finals. Some of them did not do so hot on, but like, I'm pretty sure I'm still graduating because I think I passed all like my major classes with the grade required. I passed all my classes this semester. I've never like failed a class. Okay, I'm gonna make this really quick. This is the final look. I really like it. I think it's honestly one of the better ones. So I hope you guys liked it. I thought this whole series was really fun. My camera is dying because I need to go replace the battery, but it's fine. So if you enjoyed this, please let me know down below and give this video a like, and you can hit subscribe under it so you can, you know, subscribe to me. If you already are not subscribed, I don't know. You can hit the bell icon next to it to be notified every single time that I post so that you never miss a single video of me. And I will link 2 other videos over here, and you can hit subscribe up here if you didn't want to hit the button. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next week. I love you all. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys!